Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Google Chrome on Ubuntu 22.04. Okay, so to get started, we have a couple of different options. First option is we can use the terminal, download the Chrome package and install via the command line. Or an easier option is to use Firefox, which comes installed by default on Ubuntu 22.04. So we can just open Firefox and browse to the Chrome website and download the package and do the install that way. So the option I'm going to run through is the install using Firefox, but I will leave instructions in the description on how to do the install using the terminal, just in case anybody needs those. Okay, so you can see here I've opened up Firefox. I've browsed to the Chrome website, which is google.com/Chrome, and you can see here in the center of the screen I have the option to download Chrome, so I'm just going to click that button. Now it's asking me what type of package I want to download. So in our case, we're using Ubuntu, so we want the .deb package. You can see here it says Ubuntu. So I'm just going to click here on the button that says accept and install. So once I click that, up in the right corner in Firefox, we should see a display here that tells us that Chrome is downloading. So that should download into our downloads folder, and once it's there, then we should be able to just run it like you would run any .deb package locally. Okay, so we're nearly there with the download. I'm just going to click here on show all downloads. Maximize that. Okay, looks like the package is downloaded, so I'm just going to right click on it and say show in folder. Okay, so you can see the package here in our download folder. Then again, I'm just going to right click. It doesn't give me the option here to do the install, so I'm going to click open with other application, and you can see here then I have the software install option. So I'm going to select that and then press select. So that should kick off the install process, which could take a few minutes. Okay, so you can see that this window has popped up here, and it's recognizing the Chrome package as something that we can install. So we have this option here, this install button, so I'm just going to click on that. It's looking for my password, so I'm just going to type that in here. Okay, and the install process should have kicked off now. You can see up here it's telling me it's preparing the install. Okay, now you can see the install has finished. So I'm just going to close this window here, and I'll close this window and this one, and I'll close the browser also. So now down here in our applications, if I click here, Chrome should be here. If I scroll down, you can see it here. You could also search for it here in the search bar. So what I like to do then is just right click on the package and say add to favorites. That just drops it into the sidebar here. So now I'm just going to click on the Chrome icon. You can see it's popping up here asking me, do I want to make Chrome my default browser, and do I want to send statistics to Google? I'm just going to leave both those ticked and press OK. And there you go, you can see Chrome is installed. So just make sure we have internet access. Okay, looks good. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you found the video useful, please leave a like. And also, if you're looking for the install instructions using the terminal, they're in the description below. Thank you.